Welcome back to another In the Kitchen video. Today I have another easy, simple recipe for you, and it is a chili cheese dip. This is great for parties, snack. It's super easy, and all you need is a few things. I have some Armor chili, no beans. I don't want any beans in mine, but you can get the one that has beans, or you can make your own chili. That's also an option. You can also use Velveeta block cheese for this, but I'm going to use the Rico's Gourmet Nacho Cheddar Cheese Sauce. You need some chips to go with that. I have some original potato chips, and I also have some tortilla chips here. And you can serve it with either or whatever you prefer personally. The nacho cheese sauce is going to make this a bit more spicier. You also have the option of using just the regular Velveeta, regular cheddar cheese, or the Velveeta, or the other cheese sauces that have peppers in them. It's completely up to you. Today I'm just using this, and the only other thing you're going to need to do this recipe is a container. You also have the option of cooking this dip either in the microwave or in the crock pot. It takes about 5 minutes in the microwave. All you're going to do is mix your 2 cans and put them in your container. Mix your 2 cans together. Now that you have your ingredients mixed together, you're going to move this to the microwave and microwave it anywhere from 4 to 5 minutes, and it will be done and ready, hot, ready to serve. And if you're going to do this in the crock pot, I would recommend definitely doing it on low for maybe an hour or so, just to heat it up. And that would be a perfect way to have it at cookouts, birthday parties. Once it's out of the microwave, can plate it up. And there you have it. Super easy chili cheese dip done in the microwave, or you can do it in the crock pot. It's super easy and simple. It's really tasty and hearty for this fall season, so I hope you enjoyed the recipe. We'll try it out for yourselves. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links, as well as an In the Kitchen playlist.